it sounds like they have a reproducibility problem. They make an injection, they get a certain chromatogram, and they make an injection again, and they get a different chromatogram. So I don't care that the second one's right. To me, it's like, wait a minute, why are we getting two different chromatograms for the same sample? So every time you make an injection of the same, especially out of the same vial, you should get the exact same chromatogram, same peak heights, same areas, same everything. If that's not the case, then we really need to figure out where this problem is coming from. So the first statement I would make is if you're getting different number of peaks, that means there's peaks somewhere in the instrument. We got to get rid of them, right? I mean, if you get 2 peaks one time and 5 peaks another time, where do those other 3 peaks come from? So let's clean out the column. The first thing we're going to do is you're running your HPLC. I usually like to have methanol water or acetylnitrile water. The first step is we're going to go to a high percentage of water. I know it sounds backwards, but we're going to go to 90% water, 10% acetylnitrile, or 10% methanol, whichever one you're using. And this water is just pure water, no buffers or anything in it. We're going to wash with that, wash with that for 20 minutes, 1 ml a minute, and that's going to get rid of all the salts, all the buffers, get all of them off your column. And then step up to 100% organic, acetylnitrile or methanol. Run it there, 100% organic, 1 ml a minute for 20, 30 minutes. At that point, you've cleaned everything off the column. There's nothing on the column. You should get a beautiful flat baseline. Now, let's take one vial, put it in the autosampler, and tell it inject that vial 6 times. And look at those chromatograms. You should get the exact same areas every single time. If you get different areas, different heights, different areas, then you have an autosampler problem. It's not a detector, it's an autosampler problem. It's because the little thing called the rotor seal, it wears out and you get poor reproducibility. So in this case, I really think step 1, you need to clean out the instrument because if we're getting extra peaks, that shouldn't be. And then step 2, let's evaluate. Let's look at the instrument. Take 1 injection, 1 vial, inject it 6 times. Look at the reproducibility of the peak areas, peak heights, and the retention times. Area and height tell you everything you need to know about the autosampler, and retention times tell you everything you know about the pump. So do that, and it should solve your problems.